Auntie Donna, who that? Auntie Donna, who that? Coco, look at who that. Look at who that. No charity now keep you here. So auntie, you just allowed me upset to me about charity. Me come and me a call you here to me about charity. You just allowed me up, so how you want to put me to the world, Auntie Donna? No, but you Coco, you me allowed her, me a deal with Donna with you, Coco. Me not deal with Donna with you. Auntie Donna, can't bother me. But Auntie Donna, as me come, I said, Auntie Donna, you just allowed me up, so and I tell me about charity. Alright. Me just simple say charity now keep. Alright? Or what you did want again? Charity now keep. So what you want to know what I want for charity now keep? Charity now keep. So what you want to know what I want for charity now keep, man? Charity now keep. So what kind of attitude you have, so what? You come and you ask me, you asking for Auntie Donna. Coco stand up in front of me, I never see you. So simple, when I look, I say charity now keep. I just start going with your attitude. Me never disrespect you, me never embarrass you. No, but Auntie Donna, me come and me just say, I want to talk to Auntie Donna, you just start to me about charity now keep. Then what else you could have come for, miss? I don't know you, miss. What else you could have come for? Go on. I saw you stay, man. I see him when such man did come here, I see him where you go on. Go on. That's why such man way. Up speak my mind, family, what's up? Them your whole bad get no baby mother ya. Already I know people. You see the ear from my head? Already I. I'll do a burgundy. This, them say burgundy is red, burgundy red, and you have red. Post office red, you have all kind of red, but this a burgundy red. But them red yeah, your post office red eye them have. When me say them have, post office red eye. Yeah man, speak my mind, family. I ready eye them ready eye man. Them baby mother before them go look for the man, them breed them. Them walk up them foot like clothespin everywhere them walk, them turn them up them foot like clothespin. And a be a man where a draw pants pan body them want call to and them want talk to them, and man in a deer crepe and deer pants and deer shoes, and man we are about hand mickle, and man we are drink and left. Cause most of the man them a drink and left, you know, cause when you see them early morning time come out like a tea, them a drink when they look down at the cup. No drink and left from the night before, but them couldn't able to dash it away. Because them couldn't consume as much, so them put it down till tomorrow morning. Because them don't have $1 to buy nothing in the morning. And them have to wake up and smoke a spliff. And them man them open them foot like clothespin and take. And then now, feel like say 99 are free money, because that's how them have na them head in a free money. You going like a fair one. The Planka Nation supporters have to work hard for them money, every dollar with them work. You understand? Some of them need money, but at the same time them can't able to help people who in more needs than them. But you feel like say them now have them bills and have them problem too. You understand? But at the same time them see it fitting in themselves to give back. You understand? As simple that. So when you come with the ready eye thing, because all of a sudden now, baby mother pant up a baby mother turn up. Just because 99 help a few baby mother what there, and then them say this baby mother turn up what there again, and she get too much things and grocery and whatsoever. The whole of them are come line up now with them ready eye self. And that's why we Jamaican can't better. Because we can't see something go on and tell ourselves so we don't have to get involved. We have to get involved. For what reason? Because we're ready. If people, you know, say if there's a case, we say, me broke and hungry, and me see my next door neighbor come in with a portion of food, with a ground provision coming from country or what. Just because me see it with my eye, me not beg him none. He said me never see it now, me beg him. Because me don't want him feel like that true. Me see it make me a beg him. And I saw me stay. But some of them people, them not no shame. And then them come cockatoo and hype. Me never know say Donna carry toad on her foot now. So a Donna you open up like clothespin and make Donna. You understand what I say? So you come one Donna to take care of your pitney and take care of you. Our Planka Nation to send them money come give you. When you reach a 99 more sound, you know, a two motive you no go there for, you know, because sometimes a people send you no come there. And when I say send you no come there, people not send you no come there genuinely if you go look help. People set you no send you on there for melt the woman. Just see the woman come out her character. come out herself because you know her head is a chip. And I am so glad that she gradually taking her time to move from that stage there at the level where she is now. So it now gonna be something for you easily do no more. More than when she draw for our evidence, which is our phone. We all know that. If you don't want upset with it, she'll bring her to the world, or she'll bring her to the pearl, or she'll bring her. Oh, now I get the money. Eh? Oh, now I get the money. Whatever you want, you feel like say, I know the phone I gonna bring it come. I don't know, and this girl is so lie. Cause if you say you watch Donna, you watch Donna. Because you don't love run, come out, when you don't watch Donna. If sometimes Donna for test you know. And say, show me your phone, me I give you internet. Where your phone there? Pop out your phone. Show me which part you follow me or subscribe to me. Where you do? Just randomly go follow her so I see her and just randomly watch her? Uno come, uno watch. Because you don't want it feel like, and people feel like, okay, they are supporters. Now for you don't even know the channel name or the page name. But are the first thing that, but me watch you, because how can you watch the woman and you hear a charity nah go on, but you turn up at the woman yard? And if so be the case and you watch, you hear a charity nah go on, but through your ear, say, two little baby mother get assistant, you feel like you have to run come to your assistant. How when you come in on the most braggadocious hairstyle, attend for me one ya. You understand? Only in the hottest, this one have a anklet, footlet, chainlet, brooklet, necklace, all kind of things. We don't say you have to look all and pop down. Because the best way to uplift yourself and you in a little stress is to put yourself together. But then again, if you not desperate so, I don't know have chain, I don't know have this, I don't know have that. You not go sell them or pan them out, man. Because you don't want to face embarrassment. So why you come up in an embarrassment? This girl you know, you come to the woman place, you go so boom, the woman say no charity. We know Auntie Donna. She have this soft heart. That the simplest thing touch her soft heart. She go back on her word. Charity now keep. How can I help you otherwise, man? What is it? All you have to do, you know, you say you watch Auntie Donna. All you have to do when Auntie Donna say that is say, no, Auntie, you know, say, and a little situation, me just reach out because me not other means, you know, me know say you not do no charity, but me not other means. As me say, people, if she did watch Donna, she would understand and know about Donna, but she not watch Donna. All the girl have to do is just simply say, boy, Auntie, you know, say me just step on a little low, and me just have no other choice but to come check you, and me just circle you and say, boy, anything or anything. You understand? And me just prepare for it. Probably you left there yesterday comfortable more than how you didn't even think. But you know, just lie and just feel like so when you come at the woman place, the woman will just accept you and not say nothing, not talk, nothing at all. You understand? And at the same time as me always say, when I go to the woman place, the first thing you have to think of, she got to draw her phone because of her behavior and how other people think about the woman, and she's so paranoid about people sending people to her to upset her and do things and say things and go tell lie on her. So the woman got always draw for her phone. So the whole of you to think about that until you go there whether you want to go on phone or not. You a young girl, you feel some pride in yourself. Stop go around and take up these chacha boy. Chacha boy can't go down a Jubilee, go pay a Jubilee fee. Chacha boy can't go buy baby clothes and baby feeding. But I be a chacha boy no want. Chacha boy. A ding dang chacha boy no listen to. You no go and listen to it. And when you find yourself with 3-4 belly, you no run come a 99 and look for Planka Nation. Come. Because I never know say Planka Nation are the new Salvation Army. I never know say Planka Nation are the new food for the poor. I never know. So everything, everybody run come Planka Nation. Find 99 Mountain View Avenue. Because Planka boss have to draw a phone and reach out to assist you. And when you not get no assistant, you no turn around eat the woman. Eh? You look at that now. So the woman will help the world. I never know. Me never know that Planka Nation is a worldwide organization to help the poor and needy. You understand? I never know. Me think of food for the poor and Salvation Army and Red Cross and them something to do them sitting there. Anyway, as me said, you have to stop growing and walk on food carelessly to careless boy. Good man want to know there, you know. Enough good man want to know out there. But guess what me know? Two them good man they no look chacha boy stone no. Pants now drop off a body the latest crepe. Yeah, and them on rough. But you know side the rough and give the man them the money for go no. You know one boy rare about and make him beg the whistle, him beg the weed, him beg the light, him beg the grabber. And him friend buy a special and him beg a cup. And say truly clean night. And him sip it right back till the morning. And them man don't want. You know careless like our people. Anyway, we are gonna move on to a little segment of T-girl before me touch upon an issue with Marcia. You understand? Because I don't want to talk out the video. So, uno listen Tina. This is one video before the one we should do this morning. But me never see that one yet. But listen. She come out with a motive this morning. Promotional motive. And then now Starbucks go burn her upon her tongue. Yes, you're a troublemaker, you know.
Well, it just don't like peace, no.
Ask yourself the question about how you're a troublemaker. You don't like me here? Hell lie.
Good over evil, and God protect me. Why? God protect me every day when I get up in the sea of fucking misery. God, I love you. The danger can't touch me. And God will say, and God, what's the other Bible verses they like to use? The Lord is my shepherd. I'm a winner. And God will say, baby love, shut the fuck up. With your misery. Shut up. Nobody want to hear that. Nobody want to hear that.
Here, I pick me down, people. Yeah, I might just sit down, Lord. T-girl. T-girl, look on that area. Just look on that little area. People, you can't believe that area about 3-year-old. And look on it. It's sit down more than T-girl 1 month old week them. Look how it sit down for me. Jeez, I come like a meat didn't make fun. And a meat make fun of people. And a meat make fun. This is not one of the week them when we make. But just look how it sit down for me head. Don't look. Don't just look good. Jesus, peas. T-girl, none of your 1 month old week them just sit down for your head and look so. Like something just make. You know the reason why T-girl? As me say, you strain your wig them. You flag out your wig them. Whoever see when some non-genuine flag like the Jamaica flag and some non-genuine Rastafarian flag put up on building and where the breeze do it. Even the genuine flag sometimes the breeze rip it up. Also Tina rip through her wig them. The way she live in a them. So when she done with them now no use. You see all this one here is a recycle one. You see she put on what they got the all white. And on a new ear. A recycle ear people. You don't know that one there. And look on it. It could have barely take little mousse and little water and little this to fix up back. You understand? She can't wear that for 2 weeks straight. Because a whole year, it not no substance tonight. So as soon as a little mousse and a little this and a little water and a little this and oil sheen and sitting dry out of that, she have to take off that again. That I don't know new wig. And look on this. 3-year-old out of wig this. Wow. Tina, a hot girl put on them wig. A year just a wig this. You understand? Quality, not quantity. Look on it. It's a hot girl here just a week this year. You see it? Yes, man. Look how it look good. No short change in that week, girl. None.
Ain't too late. You know, start pouring some positivity and some enrichment into people. You know.
Through your people, them tell you foolishness. I know you comment and make it look like you are doing positivity and you are encouraging people and you are better people life. Which part you are better people life, Tina? All of you comment at about you're better in people life and when you speak, you encourage people. Make them come show you where them did I live and how them did I live before you be known to them. To know where them be known to you, or them a live. Them now live one rasta job better. Them either live worse off or just the same. Because if them say you are encourage them to do what? Come out here and tear down people and then play victim? That is what you're teaching them?
Especially if you're married. If you're a married person and stuff like that, you know, maybe you can do some lives about married life and all them something there. What it's like. Maybe some of y'all can do some lives about menopause.
This sound like something where you have come out here and talk about and say 5-6 times already. If I never the stamp time on the live, would I feel like say me I listen sitting where me listen 10 times already. I just stamp time make me know say it recently the today. And the same clothes that you are into now, which is that black top, like spaghetti strap thing, the body sucked on blouse like, because you have to come out early morning to show your fake boobs, you know. I don't know if a man you come out and look at early morning in a Starbucks, but the man them have them wife. We look after some most likely be a careless people, probably like you, that early go to Starbucks. You understand? The rest of people them live them life, so you won't but no man so early. Unless it's a homeless man or one of them head there. You understand me I say to you? You're not about no man so early. So if I never fit that mood, you know say this is a life here where you do at the same. Because this what you say right now, it come like something me hear about 10 times already. But here still, he's like some of these pastors. Yeah, you're like some of these pastors. Them come out every day upon the pulpit and them preach. And all the way them a preach, them a do the opposite of way them a preach. But yet still them come out and them preach them ceremony and them preach to them audience. Yes. But when you see them round the road, they stand down the road, they say something different them a do. One amount of young girl them a pick up in a vehicle. One amount of places them a go. And sometimes them in a places and you see them and you just do like you don't see them and you make sure you hide for them not see you. And when you see them behavior, you can't believe that the same pastor that you see on pulpit 2 days or 3 days or 3 Sunday ago or yesterday Sunday. Yes man. Are you that? Come out and come preach things, but I know that you do.
You know, what the experience is like, you know, connecting as females and seeing what, you know, the changes that your bodies go through as females, as you're aging, stuff like that.
As she talk about body, when I go hear her, she say, I know fat, she get fat and muscle. So me never know say muscle is something will grow without you train it to grow, like going to the gym and stuff like that. She say, I know fat. She say, all them something that wanna cuss her about her neck and her hand and this and she just get fat. And some people say, oh, she like she depend on alcohol or she depend on this or she depend on that. It's not fat, it's muscles because it's like she said, boy, she's a gym girl. You know what I go here for yourself? Me leave that talk. You know what I go here?
You know what I mean? Instead of y'all coming out here talking about
my head is on fire.
You notice how Uncle Uno do that?
Fire.
Men do that shit. Especially the older ones them. Uncle Uno do them something there. In the 50s, 57, 58 Uncle Uno. One of them all over upon YouTube with the foolishness. All on upon YouTube with the madness. It's like when a madness release on YouTube. We don't just want people soon. We don't just want to be seen. Like, look at me. Hi, guys. Hi.
I am starting to wonder in this video if, you know, probably by now and later you're going to hear she a big cash up or she a big stars. Because basically she might want makeup. Figure buy a little one sitting a butter and, you know, couple pound of sugar and flour for do her baking. So probably that's why she come out here and put on a show this morning. Because sooner or later, the bottom line is, I want to send me some stars. My cash up there, no, want me a long time. I'm not send me nothing, you know. Send me some cash up now. I'm a Zell. Send me some cash up and some Zell, man. And send me some stars, man. Because she look makeup. Because July 4th around the corner, she want to do a little baking. So I'm to all those money that you make after all those products that you have put out. Your bulky a product that you send to China. You don't listen out for it. Remember me to tell you now, me promise you to say. By now and tomorrow, here I come out on our platform, I beg stars and cash up. Remember me to tell you. Me kind of study this girl here, you know. I mean, I need to waste time to study her. Because she, I don't like her something we have to sit down for hours to study. Them just easy to study. You don't have to waste time. No time no waste on them to know them. Them easy to study. And watch and see if by now and later to tomorrow, you know, here I come up on our platform, I beg stars. I'm begging cash up. Watch and see.
Hey, look at me. Hi. Hi. Look at me on YouTube. Hi, guys. Say hi to my followers. Come say hi to my followers, guys. Just I love the little attention one I get. Who telling us so we're not vloggers? Who telling us so we can't vlog? Who telling us so we don't have?
Right now, you know, the best of the best with them documentation. None of them I do the work right now. I the one who underrate and don't see as professional. I do the work. Yeah, man. As me say, why do you know? Most of these man and woman who is in the sector of like engineering, carpenters, you know, construction workers and stuff like that, where I get these big contracts from these big company. Tell them to do something, then can't do it. All them have is the documentation. And you don't know without the documentation, you can't get the contract. Because you have to approve to be a professional person. You understand what I say to you? So me, you know, no cure. You see the house over there, son, and me build the house there from scratch, come up. But here, I him with the documentation, get the contract. I him get all the glory. Because what? I him get the contract. So the man now when build the house, I go away and say, no man, a John man. Bad man. Yeah man, I one thing, that's why I use him man, because I see him build house. Them now say, I speak my mind, you know. Where them say literally build this house and scratch, you know. A John I get all right because what? I him are the contractor. And probably I me a fear tell John say no, we're gonna go around so we are go so. So you can go on. You are blogger, flagger, saga and everything. And you are not achieving anything from it. Not even couple likes on your page when you post anything. You understand what I say to you? Not even a couple likes or share when you post anything on your page you are gaining. And you're a professional vlogger and blogger. So you sit down and go and watch unprofessional people them when you have the vice and have this cause. You feel like that's how the world stay now. And that's how the world then no more. The world move away from that now. You understand? Because guess what, me know? YouTube and Facebook no business. What kind of professionalism you have for vlog or blog, you know? Them only want to know the content where you bring, you have a support base to support it. Because I saw them make feed them money. You think them want you have a spooky voice? And you're bringing content of substance then, put it this way. And no support base behind it to support your content of substance, or them pay them staff, or them are gonna make money, or ads are gonna run for them gain them money from corporate. Oh, talk to me now. So you feel like say YouTube stipulating how you speak or how you talk, or you just check YouTube and check the wider scale of YouTube around the world. Some things where you see people are do on YouTube is just that they might into a field where they can afford to do that, but make me try it yes in my field. It not gonna work. Me see some foolish people are doing again millions of views. Millions, not hundreds. Millions of views. 100 million views. 20 million views. 40 million views. And when me look me and say what that? Ah, some real stupidness. But what? YouTube not a problem. I saw them make their money. I saw YouTube make their money. Them only want you can captivate an audience. So if you want pick leaf or you want chop out your yard and people sit down and watch you do that, YouTube not a problem. Them only want each platform have audience that support them. That's all them want. So them can make for them money. So you sit down and talk about prettiness and blogging and voice and this.
Vlogger's voice or vlogger's look. Who telling the son I can't vlog?
Who tell you said YouTube busy about your voice or your vlogger look?
Let me interject. I use my words them. Let me interject. You don't even know how to spell the last word interject. But let me interject.
Me don't know who she's talking now. It come like she's talking in general, but at the same time she's talking to somebody, some individual person.
You can tell you're counting the words as you're going along. I mean, I'm not against people learning, but you need to go and sit in a classroom before you come on here.
Because she confused me.
You're not in a no position.
Because me I try to think if I the woman of Jamaica, yeah. But some other things that she said further down the line confuse me. And true, she not call no name and she not give no clear, you know, sight for say boy other person there.
What's wrong with
me
you?
not jump to no conclusion.
You're going through some madness or something? As Jamaican woman, and I go mad? When the most I go mad, because God knows, when I reach one age, you know, me not become like one, you know. If me not married by then, me gonna have some young boy and make me happy. And me gonna go up on cruises and travel. Me not be like uno, cause it's...
You sound like your friend now after she reaching her age, she want to do all them you sitting here. Want settle down and want this and want that. If you not set no foundation, how it a go work? You come sit down and depend on people. How you going to come and depend on man and young boy in your old age? Where you going to have to carry to the table to young boy we have them strong money. Remember now, you know, it's not like he's a naturally sexy girl from your young, you know. So when you grow and get old, your sexiness still there. You see sometimes some woman up in her age and you look upon them and you can't see them up in her age, but hear you to yourself now. Even me when me even younger. I see some woman up in her age, I said to myself, Jesus, please. Look how that woman is sexy in her body, man, how she shape, man. Look upon all her face. You can't see all the time she younger, how she's sexy and sweet. Man, just run it down, so. Nobody now say that about you, Tina. The more you grow, or the more you go grow, I never want to tell you what you go grow and look like. But you not grow if you have no sweetness. You grow if you coming like lemon. Because as me say, remember, you never definitely build to be a woman. You understand? It's all because the line of woman is short of one. Father God take you out of the male line and transform you. And him never fully transform you. Look at your body. You don't have a feminine body. You just feel like you have a feminine body. You understand? And then you talk about gym like a gym make you look so. And a gym make you look so. Where is those pictures that you used to go to gym on a regular basis? Where is those videos? Come on and show. You're in a social media long time. And I can't say only in a social media for so long. What on this video personal. And all of these things you don't have no evidence of them in an archive. Where is you going to gym back then? How long I don't know, but where is you going to gym on a regular basis that you build up this muscular looking body where you have? No, man. As me say, Father God take you out of the man line, because the woman line the shorter one.
Scary to see y'all doing the shit that y'all are doing out here. One of them tell me, say me I get fat and oh, me do my body, I'm gonna look good. I'm do my body, I'm gonna
where the lie there?
The whole time, you know,
Where the lie there?
She shaped like sumo wrestler, you know. The whole time she sit down there.
No matter what she shaped like. Remember the statement where you just make where the woman make? You do your body and you not look good and you not shape good. She's okay whatever way she want to look. Sumo wrestler, she want to look like Bonnie and Clive, she want to look like Eckler and Jekyll, she want to look like anything she want to look like. She proud of what she look like. She proud of how God make her. Unlike you were upset with how God make you. And basically that means you're upset with yourself and God. That you gonna change what God give to you. Barely can afford to do so. That the doctor have a job short. Pan him work. That is what the woman is talking about. Because if me go so boom, and me feel like say boy my nose too big, which is my family tradition. And me feel like more I'm gonna shrink my nose. When I go shrink my nose, it have to look good. It can't look like something I never do. So me can go pay my good money now. Have a problem with my nose or it big. And me go so boom now and go shrink my nose. And after me go shrink my nose and come back, my nose not lookable. My nose have to lookable. What me say? And my money me go pay go fix it, you know. So it have to fix good and lookable. Me can't discuss with it. After me discuss with it how big it is that oh God make me with it. And me go so boom and say me I go fix it up because there's way to fix it up from you have your money and me go fix it up. And you say me fix it up and come back, me still discuss with how it look. You must say mad. Doctor give me back my money or lawsuit. You mad? And me pay you what you want. That's why me now go no money with no short change. Cause if you short change the doctor, I go short change you. And that's the other thing. You feel like you could have got to clean up your teeth. And cock out your tough iron ass around there. So you understand? And doctor spot you on it and everything would be okay. No, money doc say.
Critique my body, she look like a sumo wrestler. But she wants to point out every screenshot and point out everything about my body. But in the same breath, she favor some big truck driver. This is what we have to contend with on social media. And now when you come out and talk, say them look like big truck driver and them look like sumo wrestler, everybody wants to judge you. But what you guys need to understand is that these people sit on their pages relentlessly every day and size up your body and talk all sorts of negative thing about you that you've been ignoring for an extended amount of time.
Then if you come out here, you criticize people, talk about people who them not look good, and them can't just because you feel like you are the best in everything that you do, and you are the only one can do what you do. You don't expect people to come and talk about you. Come on now, be real. Be real for even once. You don't expect some people to come out here and talk about you. You know, I mean, I understand, you know, when you take social media, you know, on a level where you just feel like say, social media is about uno alone. When you can come out here, take on a platform, say what you want to say about people, downgrade, degrade people, you know, slander people, do all kind of things to people, bring down people, product and business. And then even less than that, reach uno doorstep, uno make it look like, okay, nobody should not do that because of uno own social media. Just like what I go say where the master not video, because I'm not playing no video, but I go talk up when I talk up and that's it. When I go talk about Marcia after I come off of she or so. You understand? So it seems like you don't want to deal with people any up on social media, and when people come back out phone, whether the same person want to deal with or people who see the injustice overall in social media and feel like say they want to talk about this and they want to talk about that. You figure more or less say, okay, people should not speak, and you start to say people join sides and people are trying to bring on it down and people are get paid for do this and people are get paid for do that. Because what? You alone for talk. You alone for have all the same social media. You alone for bring down and chat on one chat and sit down on people name like a Asaka or a chair or a bench. But as soon as people step over uno, because we don't really want to sit down on the car, no quality for nobody sit down on. When we get up with clothes, go and mess up and nasty up. I don't know, like we defecate on ourselves. But because uno are so messy in our life, we choose not to sit on uno. Like no chair and a bench and a like how uno sit down on people name. We step over uno. You understand? Because we see ourselves more than uno, so we just step over uno and gone about we ways. Uno have a problem.
We're human beings.
You ever think about that? When you
This
come out
jealousy
against
that they're
people.
going on with on social media, it's not going to stop. So it's like you have to constantly come out and disrespect people, something that you don't want to do. But they're so jealous of you.
Damn.
Jealous. Extremely jealous.
You know, when you say this, you know, if you remember, say your history not start here, say, you know. When you talk about history, it's nothing we are happening present, you know. History is something we happen of the past. That is history. History is not what happened presently. History is of the past. And when we say past, we are talking about decades. How much year make a decade? 10. 10 year make a decade, and it's over a decade we are talking about. So how can you come out here come tell people say them jealous? Then what you do to these people? All these people in a life where you mail around in a social media when you see you, not look upon you, them never ever cross your path, you and them never ever mingle, never even say hello, good morning, shake hand. But you come across them path. What they do to you? What them do to you? More than you just jealous off of them. So now come out and come talk about a jealous man. And this is what me I say, reaches me, reaches you. You can't want to expect for do people things. And when people do your back, you have a problem. People. I should have said this on phone, you know. But I go and talk in parables. Who want to pick up. People. You can't have a friend or a family member where I go out there and I broke people kitchen. Where I broke people kitchen. See? And then now, one day, somebody has come broke your kitchen. Remember now, you know, you have friend and family where I broke people kitchen and thief out them food, you know. And one day in a life, your kitchen broke. And the broke where your kitchen broke. You come out against people where I broke people kitchen. And remember, for years, you know your family member and your friend where you are kids with and sit down with, who will tell you and them and some of my food too. I broke people kitchen, but it never be a problem to you. But as you come and see say your kitchen broke and your food going on. But the first time a man broke in your kitchen broker, are the terrible set of people you want to do all kind of things to them. But when your friend and your family come sit down with you and say, boy, speak my mind, cook some hockey soup, you see that me here, my brag about it, you know. And me just wait till him go in, because I know he must left some kind, and me just pluck out the kitchen window and go in there. And me I tell the hockey soup, bad, you sit down and you say, hey daddy, you couldn't carry you come give me. Simple mean you're in league with him. You know, tell him say I'm wrong, you know. You know, tell him say him shouldn't do that every time he come beg me little, you know. And if me give me, you know. You're in league with him because you're depend, hey daddy, you never come give me little daddy. But the first time your kitchen get broke, you ball. Remember now, him broke your kitchen now, you know. You find a different man who are growing and do the same thing. End up broke your kitchen and now you feel the same hands. Where you sit down with and cheer on for the other people. You feel the same sting there. From hands like that same hand there. You have problem. You know? You don't think it's nice?
They're jealous of your family life. Them jealous of your grandkids. Before you know it, them start the things where them see you and do. Remember, you know, this is you. This is the
Listen,
you know,
copycat.
they see you doing it.
You know, hear
They
copycat?
criticize you first, and they try to tear you down, and then they go and do it. All of a sudden, now everybody's doing this for their daughters, and they're doing it for their grandkids. All of a sudden,
Listen,
they've never
copycat.
publicly done it before, but all of a sudden, everybody are doing it. Remember that it's the same people who used to sit on and style you and tell you, say, you're not a good mother, and use this, and use that, and use that. Them all of a sudden are doing it now. That's what I tell you, you can't follow people. Can't follow people. Because when they sit down and start criticizing you in that manner, it's because they want to do it. They just don't know how.
Mr. Someone come in and comment what they say. Which are something I always say. Or we always say. When you listen to that girl talk, you know. is real experience she talk from. Just listen to how she talk and how she act in life and what she do in life. A real experience a girl come out and come talk about. Because every time this girl come out come talk, you know, I definitely herself she a talk, you know. Why you think she can do that? Because a real life experience or something where she know she a do this. So she come out now and pin it to somebody else. And she can relate it so well. Because she is somebody who have done it. Yes, man, she can relate it so well. Because she has somebody who do it also. So she come out here, come relate all that she have done and put it on somebody.
They just don't know how. You know what I'm happy about with myself? I'm happy that I can breathe life into people, like what my followers them say. Breathe life into people.
Fool them and fool you.
Listen, you don't have
You
to
jackass,
live
yo.
your life like that.
What kind of life you can breathe in a people? Be a negative. Pure negativity you breathe in a people. Inspire who you inspire.
But where it goes eerie is when these people, after you've poured into them, they use all that strength that you've poured into them to turn around and stab you in your back and betray you and tear you down. That's where it goes wrong. I'm not going to pour into anybody anymore going forward, but I'm just saying. Because a lot of times I have been sitting down quietly, allowing people to walk all over me and say us, tell us sort of lies for me and all them something.
Who just joined? Who don't like my wig? Who like my wig? When I ask why I put on the wig, after the baby mother will go out at Donna yard yesterday. Like she got a fiery.
Because I choose to just be quiet. Being quiet don't gain me no brownie
Or
points.
non-progressive, all them they sit down and walk up them foot to man, like them a close spin.
That, you know, you fly high like Michelle Obama's speech, you think that would help out a situation, but not among our people. It don't work.
I want him to know. I don't know what kind of breath of life you're blowing at people. And if you say you're a follower, I tell you all of them you're sitting here. Them don't really mean it no good. Them a lie. And you yourself know say them a lie. Because you know within yourself all the wrongs that you have done. All the people you have met with that not trouble you. Where you never have to say nothing about. And all the fiction that you cast out here in so. Because all of this is in a social media. You know. And I don't know where hide. I don't know where documented in a filing cabinet. It in a social media. And for them know all this and come and say this to you. And you know within yourself. All of this is out there. Them really think you are going to believe say them mean you any good. You not say it for look good because you're try to fool who you can fool. But you know the mass you can't fool the mass. Because we already know what is happening. Okay?
Listen. I blame myself too, you know. I blame myself too. I am to be blamed. I'm not gonna say all these things without holding myself accountable for a couple of things.
Make the public know what you're to be blamed for. She not telling her what she to be blamed for. She have to switch now. Listen.
You know, but listen.
See? Switch, she go switch the argument now. Because she don't want to show up for herself.
Every day y'all get up and down on
switch, see? Oh no, listen. You know, I all blame myself. Yeah, yes, I should blame myself. I should blame myself. You know that wait. We are sitting waiting for you to explain why you think you should blame yourself. I will sit down till we ask bonus. We can't hear. And then it's like a big full stop put in a sentence where you make bang. I hear a switch. And when you switch, now have nothing to do with what you just said a while ago. You know, I should blame myself, yes. It not have no match. It come like you put in a puzzle and when you go and put in a piece, it can't fit in because it's bigger than the space The one you have in your hand, little piece of it fit in bigger than the space, so you know how so it figure. We all sitting waiting for hear why she's supposed to blame herself. Because she all know, as I said earlier on, she all know she is the freak. She all know she is the problem. And it's not just now. She know that long time.
Want to get up on the madness every day. Instead of going to take up some extracurricular activities.
This is far from what she was going to say a while ago, you know.
During the summertime. It's not just about doing the HHA work and going home for come sit up on people's phone for come talk about people like myself. And talk about people like
Place I get bleaky.
yeah, I see them come back.
At least the people them have some form of pride, dignity and shame when them go do them 1 or them 2 day work for earn them money. And like you sit on social media right through, pretend like you make money and not make none. So, something wrong with that? If a 2 or 1 day or 3 day work, the people them can get, at least they're willing to go out there and work. Unlike you, just want to sit down and pretend as if you are earning. When no, you're not earning. You understand what I say to you? July 4th I come and you go bake. And we can't see one little video clip in here because normally to the hour, the 26th or 27th, that's a few days away. Because the month will start Monday. So basically next week Thursday or July 4th. You're supposed to get in and start them already and have them. And prepare yourself. Where is a video clipping if I'm not real? You like to post real. Where is a reel of you going to the distributors of this, that what you want? No. More than on the day we're going to see, you probably take a little picture or a little reel or show one little case, one little dish of butter, and we can't even see how much flour because you already cup out the flour out of the pound bag. Me I wonder how much cake or how much cupcake you bake so. Wow, flowers dropping on me here. Wow, you make it look good. Oh, a leaf. You can't fool nobody out here, Tina. We get used to you. You know, so 99 start prepare for December already. And she not much there. You understand? But she start prepare for December already. And look how far December there. And you have just a few days before July 4th. And you know make no preparation, start making no preparation. Because you do have a red scent. What you want to do now, you want to open up back your website and do like what you normally do. People pre-order and send them money come and you take the people their money and turn it over. You don't have no ready cash in your hand for do no business. And this is why most of the people them take so long to get them product from you. Because them don't realize what happen. I feed them money, you take to bake the product. And if you don't get sufficient order, you can't meet the time that you give the people them. All because you don't get sufficient order. So me order 1 cake from you, me send half of the money come, you're not going to beat that 1 cake, because it's not beneficial. So basically if me and 10 more somebody send me money come, you have a money I look upon, so you take quarter of that and go do what you do because you're shot. If a pound of prune for going into the something, you're going to put an ounce. You understand? Because so you stay. Because you can't afford to buy the pound of prune. You understand? Because we see how you shop. We don't see you shop in a bulk because all around. You bake all around here. All around the ear. You understand? You're not season baker. And the season baker buy things in a bulk and put on like a season, like a day-to-day baker of the ear. And you will bake right round the ear. We can't see you buy nothing in a bulk. July 4th I come now, you're not supposed to run to buy nothing. Probably you might run out on this and run out on that and you got top up. You don't have no money. You open back the website, the people them flooding them order which are where you hope for. So you can see a bulk of money and you take the people them money and turn over. And the people them money you take and turn over. You don't have no physical cash where you put out there. None at all. And that's why you can't elevate. Because the little profit now where you get from the people them money, you have to pay bills, you have to pay rent, light bill, water rate, internet bill. From the little profit where you get. No one again you try to squeeze and take out yourself. And that's why you ask for so much cash up at times when you feel like you're stressed and you're depressed and you want to go out. You come out and you go so bang, boom, bang, bang. Understand me some, I can't send me some stars. Understand me some stars, no? I can't send me some cash up. Send me some, you know. You know, so I want to take up myself tomorrow. You can't send me a cash up. I want to go and have lunch tomorrow. Depression will reach you. You're stressed out. You understand? And you can't afford to go do it yourself, so you beg it. Because, as me say, you don't have a structured business where you put in 100,000, 20,000, 30,000, and know your money you put in and you get. It's like you work for people. You just have the skill for ice some cake. Not bake cake, no, no, get me wrong, people. Not baking cake. She have the skill probably can ice in the cake. Yes. So she does, the people that send them money and she icing it for them. And she might make a little drop off it. Yes, that's all. She not no physical money where she put in the business. I know so she put her money in the business and she a turn over and she a grow the business. People money, when them send it come pre-order, she take it and do the business. But look at loan for borrow, man. But on the name not clean, so you can't get no loan for borrow. No loan you can't get for borrow. Reading would have against your name. But so what loan you borrow and can't pay back.
I'm just saying. That's your aspiration in life? Just sit down and be miserable bitches and watch all me dress? I watch my titty fall out of my brassiere. I watch my body. Is that...
And a fall out of your brassiere. One big and one. Don't make it look like, say, boy, your brassiere not set good, that's why it fall out. That's a different thing. From all up and draw down. All up, draw down, all up, draw down, all up. Oh no, what I mean all up, draw down? Yeah, man. One up your on our chin and one on our belly bottom.
That's all I aspire to be in a life. Sit down and type up on my body every day. I have bulgeness, so I get fat. So fucking what if I'm getting fat? What's wrong with that?
I'm not fat when I get fat, I'm muscles.
At least I'm not unhealthy. I'm not walk and rock, so I'm even fat.
So people who walk and rock unhealthy.
But right now I can gain weight if I want. And it's not weight, it's muscle.
I'm going to eat for myself.
I'm a tall girl. I'm attractive, yes.
So I'm not fat, she a grow people. True, she's a tall girl. She grow muscles. Everybody born with muscle in a people. But muscle not grow like that. You understand? Muscle not grow like how she attack. Everybody born with muscle and it grow to an extent, but it not grow like how she attack with a sure that muscular look. Like she do bodybuilding for Sonatich in tonic wine. You understand? You have to be going to gym. So you build your muscle now. And that's why I see them man, they stay them where you. Yes. I not grow so. I then build it. Rain people, rain.
Because we used to the gym life. I'm active from me, I look up at me. Track and field, I'm a sports body.
Okay, so now that it becomes an adult, I saw make your muscle get big. Hey, if people ever eat that out here, I see man, want to turn people in a one piece of prick out here, but you can't turn on a friend and followers then. People want look a windstorm, get up and they think of the rain and come under the rain. Yeah man, if people ever fool like you and take everything on, say they run with it. But yeah, the track and field. Which part of you the track and field? Which part of you the track and field? You look some look in-house where them say blue house, yellow house and red house. Sports there, track and field at? Which part of you the track and field? Anyway people, make me left that alone. Marcia, come here. Marcia. You saw $500, collecting $500 from YouTube few days ago, sweet. As me say, give thanks to the bloggers them out here to make you reach where you could collect your biggest paycheck from YouTube. $500. Me see you talk about Wish you swear how long if you go fix laptop and you fix laptop and you go strike this and you go strike that. Remember this. If it wasn't for these bloggers out here, you would not make that $500. So when you come out here and threaten the people, them for strike the people, them and whatsoever, when you strike them, what you think are going to happen to you? You're earning what you look for, you're not going to get it. Because instead of you grow up on that $500, you'll go right back to square one. Your July pay bill supposed to be even bigger than June pay bill. Which the pay bill when you get June, you know so that for May. So when you get paid in July, you know for June. Reason being, the bloggers out here has pulled you out to a certain level where you can't able to find content. Just like how you feel like you give we content. Just like how you feel like say your name is what make we make money. But me can't understand, as I always say, how your name can't make you make money. Look how long you blog. Look how long you're on social media. But at the same time, you depend on YouTube, despite you was a Facebook lover. But you come over YouTube because money I make, you run left back YouTube, go back to Facebook. When no money now make not even a red cent because you say you're not monetized. And you say you defend money. You not go back to Facebook because you defend money and you not been a fool. You have to name some of the cake and sit over YouTube like everybody else. We have to take your content and name food. So you not go back to Facebook until you monetize where you can make money, you're no idiot. So when you strike these people where pull you out, I give you an idea, I give you a reason to come out here, come talk and blog. For your people that we are support you, and even the people that we are jump fence come listen to you. For you can't make money. Oh, you gonna make the money? Because your name can't make you make the money, master. Your name can't make you make the money, you know. So I am saying, social media is social media. As me say, 2 or 3 things probably a man can do for me think about physically want to approach him. It's either you try off of me 3 point or me pick them 3 point. It's either you try to stop me food. Well, mother said 2. Or you try to stop me food. A 3, yeah. 3. You try to stop me food. So basically that cover if me have a business and you try to bring down my business. Or you know me I do something and you try to bring it down. In whatever way. Or you try off of me 3 point with me and me pitney them 3 point. Or you see me on road and come at me physically. Verbally, it's simple. Your mouth no better than my one. You don't know nasty word more than me. You can't cuss nasty word more than me. And if you cuss the same nasty word, me can cuss you and tell you back. And how me I go do it, you go more feel more shame. Because of one way you can cuss. That's how you know, you know, master. So me not see why you want to come out and check the people them about strike. And you need money. You need money. Go and ride with the wave and make the money where you need, master. Don't play a fool of yourself. Remember, you need cash. Remember, you don't have no source of income more than a little work where you get recently, you know, because sheet now sell. And like me, you have source of income, different sources of income. You understand? Different sources of income. I can't take my car tomorrow morning and start run back taxi. I can't go buy another car tomorrow morning and say I put in a taxi, which I won't because I done with that for life. Bus and taxi I done with. If I figure buy a vehicle to put back in a transportation, I must have bus and I have to get a written contract. So if you forfeit the contract, you have to pay me XYZ. For me buy back all a bus and put in a transportation. Plus, I am a very skillful person. I am very adjustable. I am not a 14-inch or a 12-inch spanner. We only can pull a 12-inch bolt or a 14-inch bolt. I am adjustable. I can adjust to any situation. Plus, me condition my mind. Me not put on no work or one work me say me want to do and a security work. All because me not feel like me supposed to secure a man place all in a storm. and left my family in my yard. Storm and them say stay in and me have to gone out in a rain and storm or work bus come pick me up and me gone watch man place while my picnic and family at risk in a storm. No. I the only work that me say me wanna do security work. But any other work, once me say me want X or you pay X and me alright with X, me willing to do it. I rain or breeze this. Me willing to do it. Breeze people. Every breeze in up if me show now. And see me I turn up on them breeze there. And watch how me stand up people. Watch it. It now move. Watch it. A windstorm this people. Watch it. Windstorm people. Jesus, it does have kill me people. Dust. So my week set for me see me Tina we gonna blow off and this a windstorm. The only thing affect me and well I got the whole part dust it come with. I know me stand no move. So I wanna see it. Check in on the tripod. Them. Anyway, Marcia, use the opportunity to make some money out of YouTube and stop talking about you're going to strike people. People come at you verbally, you say you can't cuss, and you say you have all kind of skill and all kind of this. Go at them. Nothing sweet like when them go at you and you go at them. Yes, after a while the audience might get boring because knowing you are only one way you cuss and one way you chat, you can't twist things and turn things and make things look. You understand? So the audience might get boring, but views are views, and every dollar, every cent you make will add up as you say to our money. But you come out here and tell and threaten the people with strike. So how you gonna make money? And you need cash. You need cash. We can do a whole heap of things, Marcia. Whole heap of things, Marcia. Right now, I just recently cut off sitting them because I have a little loan thing I go on and I cut it off. Another 3 months, I walk it up back again. And right now, you know what people want loan? You know what people want loan? And it's 30% interest. So if I lend you $10,000, you have to give me $3,000 upon it. I'm in a lend long-term loan. 1 week, 2 weeks the most. And if you come to me with a certain spot I feel like, in a certain spot I feel like, say boy, I want to help you, I will come out and I will help you, but you have to go pay 40% if it's a 1 month loan. Let me say I can get some more that windstorm. It'll come again, people. Windstorm, people, windstorm. What a scandal back there in Nigeria, you not see it? Watch it dust, people, watch it dust. Jesus, please. Windstorm, people, watch it. I have to plant my foot in the ground, people. I have to plant my foot. If you not get blown down, people. Anyway, Marcia, make some money and don't play a fool of yourself. Oh, you're going to strike the people them. What you going to strike the people them for? Them a give you content, you a give them content. You don't go and make money. Nobody not drape you, nobody not lift you, nobody not do you nothing physically. If a man rush you physically, you defend yourself. Watch the people. People, it come again, you know. It come like a rain, people. When you hear it, just see a rain a fall. I don't know rain, people. Watch it, man. Watch it. Oh, God. Anyway, people, me I go really funny, you know. Because the dust where this a come with me, I define. Watch it, watch the dust. Watch the dust. Anyway, people, bless up on yourself. Want to know what to do? Like, share, subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads. Continue to support both of my channels. Life is a Mission TV. Life is a Mission TV. And remember, support Tamika Douglas TV. Life with Gabby and Chevy. In the comment section, pin them YouTube channel. Let's go ahead and hit the subscription button and give them a subscription. Windstorm, people. And the first we see a windstorm like this in a Jamaica, you have to 4 or 5 blow back to back. 4 pound underneath the light wire. Yes, man. Anyway, bless up on yourself. I'm out.